How to fix no sound on Facebook videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose. Are you struggling with no sound on Facebook videos? Let me guide you through this quick solution to fix this issue. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook app on a device. Sign in to your account. Navigate to three-line icon at top right. Scroll down. Tap Setting and Privacy and look for Settings. Scroll down and look for Media. Tap to open it. Scroll down and make sure that you toggle the button on for videos to start with sound. Once you do that, exit from Facebook and long press on Facebook application. Now tap on App Info. After that, tap Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Once you are done with that, you need to head towards Setting of your phone. Scroll down, look for the option of sounds and vibration and make sure that you increase the media volume to maximum with the help of the slider. By following all this step, you will easily solve Facebook video has no sounds. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.